What's going on, guys? We're going to show you how to properly prep and clean the floor mats on an interior detail. First things first is always want to remove the floor mats out of the vehicle. So we're going to take out the front, backs on both sides for the driver and passenger side. Once you're done with that, you just toss them out and we're going to start pre-treating them. So when you're removing the floor mats, try to remove them carefully if there's a lot of dirt on the floor mats so you don't drop it off in the vehicle itself. If you have a tech with you, make sure they're prepping everything up for you, such as the pressure washer and the extractor, so they can shampoo everything. If you're dealing with cloth floor mats, make sure you guys blow it out the tornador to remove as much dirt and hair as possible before you start pre-treating it. When it comes to cloth floor mats, you're going to use degreaser for the pre-treatment, and you're going to scrub it down. When you're dealing with rubber floor mats, you're going to use non-acid. When putting non-acid on rubber floor mats, make sure it's always wet. You want to pre-rinse it to make sure that when you spray non-acid, it doesn't etch or stain the floor mats itself. So pre-treat it. Go and grab a brush. You can use a wheel brush or just grab a drill brush. If you're going to use a drill brush, make sure you guys don't add too much pressure and work in a cross-hatch pattern. So you're going to go up and down and side to side as you're brushing it down. Once everything's done, you got all the floor mats brushed down and pre-treated, going to rinse it off. You can use a water hose or pressure washer. Pressure washer is preferred, and you're going to knock off as much dirt as much as possible. So going to rinse everything off. Make sure you guys rinse off the back as well, so you can get all that soap off of it. Going to blow it off with a tornador to remove just about half of the water, and then you're going to toss it in the sun to let it dry.